Hello and welcome to the Custom Vantage Web video on using PowerTools. When editing a website built on Custom Vantage Web, editing products, pricing, descriptions, etc. is a very commonplace situation. Sometimes you've got a lot to do. You have many products that you want to update, say, pricing on all at once. So we have a free product called PowerTools, and that product can be downloaded at cwebtechnologies.com. Click on the free downloads and you'll see the PowerTools Updater. Add it to your cart, go through the checkout process. You'll recognize it because this site is built on Custom Vantage Web platform, just like your site. Go through the purchase process. Of course, it's free, so it isn't going to ask you for any money. Create your login and download PowerTools. After you download it, install it. And once you install it, it's going to pop up and ask you for your login. The login is the login to your website. It's the email address and password that you use to administer your website. So in this case, I'm going to do the demo site. Once you put in the information and the domain, that's your website, then you would simply click the sign in link. It'll take a few moments to populate. So what it's doing is PowerTools is going out and reading through the information that's on your website, getting all of the products, and then it will pop up. It'll also give you some helpful information letting you know how many products you have, unpaid orders, unshipped orders, etc. Since this is our demo site, of course, everything is in that situation. As far as Custom Vantage Office, it'll also show you the orders that have and have not been imported into Custom Vantage Office for processing. On the right-hand side here, you'll see PowerTools doing a self-check to see if there are any other updates. If this tells you that there's an update, you should click on check for update, and if it says positive that there is an update, there will be a new button here that says to update, and you should do that. Now, if you operate more than one site and you need to switch between them, clicking this little button for site will allow you to switch to a different site. The site that you're currently connected to is shown in the top here. So if I want to edit products, I would click on the Products tab. Again, it's going to go out and read the products from the website, and then it's going to display them in what is similar to an Excel spreadsheet, where you're going to see the product name, the SKU, the pricing. Here we have the list price, the site price. If you've watched the video on editing product pricing, you'll recognize all of this. And up at the top, we have an area where we can filter or narrow down what we're searching for. So right now I'm searching for products whose SKU or part number starts with an A, okay? And so if I were to say, look for products that begin with a P and retrieve, we're going to see that all of the products here now begin with a P. If I wanted to narrow that down, possibly I could type printer, and I could search within, let's say, the product name. My options are the SKU, the product name, the long description, and the short description. So if I were to say within the product name and I said it contains the word printer, then it's going to re-filter, and now you'll see I have just the products which have the word printer somewhere in the name. So inkless thumb printer is still going to come up, etc. If I wanted it to start with the word printer, click on start with, and now everything begins with the word printer. So hopefully you'll find that very easy to follow. What you'll notice, of course, is that all of the items that are displayed are in its own row. Now, if I were to go out to the website and look at the printer 20, 30, 40, you can see pricing here. Now, the beautiful thing about PowerTools is it happens in real time. So if I go through this and I look at the printer 30, 40, etc., I can change the price here, and I'll put it at $24.50. By the time I hit tab or down arrow and go to the next field, it has updated the website. So I edited the printer 40, changed it to $25.50. If we refresh this page, you now see it's $25.50 for the site price, which is what I edited. So it happens in real time. Very simple to go down through the list and edit your pricing, and it happens in real time, much faster than going and editing each product individually. Now we also have these great tools up in here. So we could say we want to edit the site price, and we want to increase the site price by a dollar amount or a percentage. So if I said that I wanted to increase all of these by $1, hit update, and it's just reminding me that there's no undoing this. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and look at that. It's updating all of the site prices by $1, and it's done. It did all of those products in real time. You'll see that they're now all $1 higher. Here's the one that we just changed to $25.50. So everything happens in real time. PowerTools is very, very powerful and makes life so much easier. Again, find the products you want by using the filtering, and you can search by product name, the SKU or part number, the long description or the short description, where whatever you're searching for it either starts with, ends with, or contains. So use the tools or manually run down the list and set the pricing to whatever you want. It makes life so much easier, very fast, very simple to use. Everything's laid out right in front of you. Okay, I hope you find that easy to use PowerTools. Again, it's a free download. You can grab that free download at cwebtechnologies.com. Add it to your cart. Go ahead and check out. You're going to go through the buying process. You don't have to actually put in any money. Thank you again for using Custom Vantage Web.